Figured I'd make a video about my truck while I'm still here. Yep. 1972 Ford F-250 Camper Special Sport Custom. Some weird stuff done to it. Dog likes to ride in the back. It's got this fuel tank here. Holds maybe 30 gallons, but the interior is like mint. Smells good too. Like, look at that. Pull the seat forward, nothing back there. That's where the gas tank used to be. Anyways, vent there. Windows roll up and down nice. All this stuff, you know. It'll probably start right up. Yeah, look at how easy these doors shut. Just like, I barely even tried and it shut all the way. And hood. Open this up because it's got good motor in it. $390. Yeah, it needs some new springs. For now, we just use a stick to hold it up here. That works pretty good. Keep it open wide. But yeah, it's got $390. Some high compression heads from a Ford Galaxy. Performance intake manifold. You see the high flow air cleaner right there. And some fancy pants fucking headers. They're like 2-into-1 twice. And then those go 2-into-1. Pretty nice. Needed a new vacuum advance on the distributor. And yeah, pretty mint. Yeah. I'll start it up for you here and let me close the hood. I should just get some new springs for this. Mint. Yeah, probably won't even have to do anything. Start it up. Just pump it once. And it should sing. It's minty. Probably should have recorded it sideways. But man, does that exhaust sound good. Extra reverse lights. I think only one of them works. The other one might work. Here comes the dog. Hey, Joe. Yeah, he thinks we might go for a ride. Should probably shut it off. But yeah, it runs really good. It's got really good power. But yeah. Close that up. Yeah, see you guys in the next video.